Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this bitter leaf soup, also known as OFE ONUGBO. It is mostly and majorly eaten by the Igbos, the eastern part of Nigeria. So guys, if you want to see how I prepared this delicious meal, do not go away, keep on watching. So this is the bitter leaf I'll be using. It is dried bitter leaf. It's difficult to get fresh one here, so I had to soak it first like it is here. Here's my scotch bonnet. Here is my smoked fish. So here is the blended Quaker oat I'll be using as thickener, since I couldn't get cocoyam to buy here. Yes, cocoyam is the best. Here is my crayfish, salt, my red palm oil. Here I have my dried grinded pepper, stock cube. So here is iru, also known as the locust beans. So here is the meat I'll be using. I have here cow leg, cow skin, the bomo. I have tribes. I have my stock fish even here too. I have beef also. So now let's get started. So the meat has been boiling and it's almost done. So the next step, I'm going to add in my smoked fish. It's already washed and shredded. So next I'm just going to throw in my scotch bonnet. I don't want it too spicy, that's why I did blend it. Next I'll go in with my crayfish. I will add in a bit of grinded dry pepper and stir everything together. Next I'm going to add in my iru. I don't like using too much, just going to let it mix with the other stuff. Next I'm going to add in some amount of red palm oil, just like this. Stir everything together, then cover and allow to cook for another 5 minutes so the oil will get done with the other stuff. Next I'm going to go in with my stock cube now. Next step, I'm going to add in my bitter leaf. My bitter leaf has been thoroughly washed with little or no bitterness. The fact that it is called bitter leaf soup doesn't mean the soup has to be bitter. Stir everything together. Now cover and allow to cook for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, you start adding your thickener bit by bit until you get the consistency you want. As for me, I don't like my bitter leaf too thick. I just like it a moderate way. As you guys recall, I'm using blended Quaker oat as my thickener. Normally it is cocoyam you use, but it's difficult to get that here. So now cover and allow to cook for another 5 minutes. I'm just adding a bit of salt to taste because I already added salt while boiling the meat, so that's why I didn't add salt too early. So guys, after adding the thickener, I allowed this to cook for another 7 to 10 minutes and my bitter leaf soup OFE ONUGBO is ready. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find it helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.